Given a pair of simultaneous equations, we are told in the first one that x times y will give us 35, and in the second one, x plus y will give us 12. We are asked to find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y. Now, to do this, first of all, recognizing that these are a pair of simultaneous equations, we're going to call the first one equation 1 and the second one equation 2. Let us solve this using the substitution method. We're going to express y in terms of x, and so we're going to have to divide by x on both sides. And when I divide, I do end up with y being equal to 35 over x. To proceed further, we're going to substitute this into equation 2. And so now we do have x plus y, and y we've said is 35 over x. And that gives us 12. To proceed further, we're going to multiply through with the lowest common multiple of 1, x and 1. And so now we're going to have the first fraction multiplied by x, the second one by x, and the third one by x. X by x gives us x squared, while x here will divide out. So we only have 35, and on this side 12 times x gives us 12x. After that, we're going to take 12x to the left hand side. So we do have x squared minus 12x plus 35 equals to 0. I have conveniently written this to form a quadratic equation. To proceed further, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, and it says to find x, we usually take minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In our case here, our a is the coefficient of x squared, so that is 1. Our b is the coefficient of x, and that is minus 12, while c is the constant 35. So we are substituting the values of a, b, and c into the quadratic formula. We were told to start with minus b. Our minus b is minus 12, and minus is plus, so that is positive 12, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that is minus 12 squared, minus 4 times the value of a, which is 1, times the value of c, which is 35. Let us solve this, of course, everything under 2a. So we now have 12 plus or minus the square root of minus 12 squared is 144, minus 4 times 1 times 35 is 140 all over 2a, and the value of a is 1, so we only have 2. Further, we're going to have 12 plus or minus, this is the square root of 4 all over 2. Now we do have 12 plus or minus 2 all over 2, and so that gives us 12 plus 2 all over 2, giving us 14 over 2, which is 7, or 12 minus 2 all over 2, that gives us 10 over 2, which is 5. So x is equal to 7 or 5. Recall that in equation 1, x times y was 35. So when x is 7, then y is going to be 5, or when x is 5, then y will be 7. So we do have our solutions for x and y. Now the question wanted us to find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y. Now to do this, we're going to have 1 over 5 plus 1 over 7, and that will give us, we have to find the LCM of 5 and 7, which is 35. And we ask ourselves how many times 5 divides into 35, which is 7. 7 times the numerator is 7. And on this side, 7 goes into 35 5 times. 5 times the numerator is 5. That gives us 12 over 35. And so we have answered the question that 1 over x plus 1 over y is actually equal to 12 over 35. But then the whole catch of this question is there was a much shorter way of doing this. Recall that x times y is 35 and x plus y is equal to 12. So we could have done this simply by telling ourselves 1 over x plus 1 over y is actually equal to the LCM, which is xy, and of course this is going to be y plus x. Now remember that y plus x, we were told, is 12. And remember what xy is equal to, 35. This would have been a much shorter way of working out this question.